Assalamu alaikum students, hope everyone is fine out there. So our today's topic in conversation is where there is a will, there is a way. So first of all, we need to understand what is its meaning, and then we can go towards conversation and to discuss important points about it. Where there is a will, there is a way is a famous proverb that reveals the importance of willpower and strong determination in life, which helps to definitely reach to the set destination by facing all problems. It means that if we don't have strong determination and will towards our goal, we cannot work hard and thus cannot achieve success in our life. So these are some important points related to the topic that actually explain the topic. So these are few points according to which I am suggesting you may add some more points to it according to your understanding or what you want to add in it. So the first point is determination. So determination is necessary to get completion in the task, as it helps person to fight with all difficulties and get success. Without determination and willpower, we generally tend to give up very easily in the starting even, as we become hopeless for small difficulties. Another point that you can add in it is importance of willpower. So determination and importance of willpower are somehow interrelated to each other. The next point is importance of willpower. So strong willpower gives us force to go ahead and continue the tasks with till we achieve the success. The proverb where there is a will, there is a way teaches us the same, that we must be determined towards our goal, otherwise we'll get failure, and people having strong will are the ones who can do wonders in their life. The next point related to it is continuity, dedication and patience. So in spite of having strong will, other things are also required, like discipline, continuity, dedication and patience. We have to work hard, get up early in the morning and work more than specified number of hours with full commitment. So what does it need? It needs to work continuously without postponing the things and waiting for any other opportunity to come. We all are well aware of the simple story of a thirsty crow who worked hard in filling the pitcher through small stones to get the water level up so that he can drink the water and quench his thirst. He was in the search of water for hours. However, when he got water, it was very low in the pitcher, so he tried number of ways to quench his thirst with no success. He thought of tricking and he started picking some pebbles into it, and we all are aware that how he with continuous working he achieved his goal. So this is the best example of the strong determination and his willpower and even the need. And the last point is take failure a positivity. We all must have noticed that some of the people get discouraged by the few continued failures, as they lack the power of determination and patience to wait for final results. So we should take failures positively, as it makes us strong and teaches us that something we are doing wrong in wrong direction. So failures are stepping stones to the success, and we must continue hard work, as there is no shortcut to success. So this is it from my side about the points. You may add more points according to your understanding. Thank you very much.